Come on, Dojah.
Come on. Couple
Get
more
it
good
out.
pushes. Come on.
It's butt first. You gotta pull it, Pat. The butt's first. It's gonna die if you don't get it out. Don't pull it too hard. Let her push, but
It's moving up.
there you go, Dojah. Good girl.
Push, push, push,
Good
push,
girl.
push, push.
Get her out. Her head's stuck. Come on, get her out. Not you. I mean, she needs to work on it, but.
Come on, push.
Push, Dojah. We're not losing another one. Come on.
Damn it, I could have swore he... Oh,
He
yes,
is.
he's breathing.
Get him. Move him away from the butt. Yep. Massage his chest, Pat.
Just lightly?
Yep. Just barely.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Yep. Come on. Bubbles are coming out of the nose. I think
Wipe his face. Maybe try to open it. There we go.
Nice.
Come on, babies.
It'll take a minute because the first two were just like this one. It was just very faint. I gotta get these ones out of here because she needs to do her business.
Here, just put them over here. Hi, boys. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, boys.
Oh my gosh. Jeez.
Come on, baby.
She's all like suffocating.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. Yeah. Open up those lungs. Yeah, babies.
All right.
Come on, Dojah. Do your business. Get her the rest of the way out.
Push. You gotta push more. Push. Push. Push.
Come on, Dojah. You're almost there.
Push.
See, and she's really starting to move now. Come on, Dojah. Get her out.
Push.
Come on, Dojah.
Push. Push.
Come on, Dojah. Get her out.
Push. Oh, thanks. Push.
Get her out. Come on.
Push.
Push. Come on, Dojah. Oh.
Push.
Come on.
Come on, push. Push.
Come on, Dojah. Get her out.
Push. Push. The feet still stuck? Oh no, just the biblical cord. Damn. Should I pull on the rest of it?
No.
Push, Dojah, push.
Did the rest of them come out all the way?
It's never been stuck like this yesterday. Usually they just pop right out.
Come on. Here, let her go for a minute. Let's see if she'll lick or do something. Come on, get her, Dojah. She's alive.
Hey,
get her out.
Come on. Do your business.
Come
Get
on.
up. Come on.
Dojah, look. She's alive. Get her.
There you go.
Good girl. Get her.
Nice. That is awesome.
Get your babies.
Yeah, you said that.
And all these babies. Oh, we got another puppy. Let's keep her alive, Dojah. Let's get her.
Live.
As long as you don't suffocate her.
Yeah, I know how. I'll try to.
Good puppies. Good puppies. You gotta get that cord cut, Dojah. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Start slurping that shit. Get her out of you. She's still stuck in there.
I pull her out all the way. What did the video say? I mean, did it say anything?
Get your neck untwisted. There we go. Oh, he's got a gray face.
Yeah. That is pretty cool.
There we go. He's out now, pretty much. Come on, Dojah. His foot's cut. No, it's not. It's just the belly. It's just the cord that's wrapped up in there.
Good looking pups.
You guys got another brother or sister?
Yeah, one of the two.
Hey, Sir Grunts a lot. Yeah, that's Sir Grunts a lot. Come on, Dojah. Pull, help kind of just tug that string out a little. If it doesn't want to come, then don't pull it, but... No, that's the end of it.
Yeah, oh.
Just keep massaging this. Now, come on, Dojah, get it out. Come on, get the cord. No, it's up there. Come on, Dojah.
Oh.
Get the cord, Dojah.
Dojah.
Come on, baby. I think it's tight in that knot. Dojah. Come on, you gotta get him out.
He's still stuck in there?
Yeah.